Hello students, in this video we shall discuss about the conduction system of the human heart. Have you ever wondered what causes your heart to beat? Your heart beats as a result of the generation and conduction of electrical impulses. Cardiac conduction is the rate at which the heart conducts electrical impulses. These impulses cause the heart to contract and then relax. The constant cycle of heart muscle contraction followed by relaxation causes blood to be pumped throughout the body. Cardiac conduction can be influenced by various factors including exercise, temperature and endocrine system hormones. The basic components for this conduction of human heart is the sinoatrial node, or we call it as the pacemaker, the atrioventricle nodes, the atrioventricle bundles, which we call it as bundles of His, and then Purkinje fibers. These are considered to be the basic components for the conduction of the human heart. First, we have the pacemaker, or we call it as sinoatrial node. This sinoatrial node, when contracts, generates nerve impulses that travel throughout the heart wall. This causes both atria to contract. The sinoatrial node is located in the upper wall of the right atrium. It is composed of nodal tissue that has characteristics of both muscle and tissues. The sinoatrial node is regulated by the autonomic nerves of the peripheral nervous system. We all know, children, peripheral nervous system is the system which includes parasympathetic and sympathetic autonomic nerves, which send the signals to the sinoatrial node to accelerate or to slow down the heartbeat rate. For example, heartbeat rate is increased during exercise to keep up with the increased oxygen demand. A faster rate means that the blood and oxygen should be delivered to muscles at a higher concentration. When a person stops exercising, heart rate is returned to a level appropriate for normal activity. The next step is the atrioventricular node, which lies on the right side of the partition that divides the atria near the bottom of the right atrium. When the pulses from the sinoatrial node reach the atrioventricular node, they are delayed for about a tenth of a second. This delay allows atria to contract and empty their content into the ventricles prior to ventricle contraction. And the next is the atrioventricular bundles. This bundle of fibers branches off into two bundles and the impulses are carried down the center of the heart to the left and right ventricles. These atrioventricular bundles are also called as the bundle of His, and this bundle of cardiac muscle fibers are located within the septum of the heart. The atrioventricular bundle splits into two bundles near the top of the ventricles, and each bundle branch continues down the center of the heart to carry impulses to the left and right ventricles. And the next is the Purkinje fibers, children. At the base of the heart, the atrioventricular bundles start to divide further into Purkinje fibers. When the impulses reach these fibers, they trigger the muscle fibers in the ventricles to contract. The right ventricle sends blood to the lungs via the pulmonary artery, and the left ventricle pumps blood to the aorta. And these Purkinje fibers relay cardiac impulses to the myocardium. The myocardium is the thickest in the heart ventricles, allowing ventricles to generate enough power to pump blood to the rest of the body. I hope you have understood the concept of conduction of impulse generation regarding to heart, children. So here the first step is the sinoatrial node, which we call it as pacemaker, and the second is the atrioventricular nodes, and the third is the atrioventricular bundles, and the fourth is the Purkinje fibers. These help to pump the blood to the aorta and for the lungs for purification of the blood. Clear, children? The next concept is the cardiac conduction and cardiac cycle. Cardiac conduction is the driving force behind the cardiac cycle. This cycle has a sequence of events, children, that is diastole phase and systole phase. So the diastolic phase is the heart relaxes, blood pressure falls and blood fills the heart. Clear, children? And the diastolic phase of the cardiac cycle, the atria and the ventricles are relaxed and the blood flows into the atria and ventricles. In the systolic phase, the ventricles contract, sending blood to the rest of the heart. So what do you mean by systolic phase, children? The heart contracts, blood pressure rises, and blood moves out along the vessels. Clear, children? So this is about the conduction of heart. See you in the next video. Thank you.